Share a journal with you. This journal is a Jane Austen Christmas themed journal, and the kit that I've used is from Tsunami Rose, and I will link that below. It's called the Jane Austen Christmas collection. So I've made a soft cover, one signature. It's a large kit, but I've actually printed out some more to do another journal because there's so many things with this kit. So oops, this one measures 7.5 by just shy of 5.25. Can't remember how many pages are in there, probably got it written down somewhere. So I've used this image from the kit on the front cover, just making sure I'm in frame, and I've glossy accented the poinsettias, and it's been sewn onto some paper, some coffee dyed paper, some fabric, and then there's some cheesecloth behind. I've used this wallpaper as my cover, and that has been attached to I'm not sure if this was coffee dyed paper or inked up cardstock, sorry, not paper. So it's nice, it's got a nice sturdy cover. So let's go inside. Used this for the inside cover, so you can do some journaling. Pages are very vibrant. We have a corner flip here, and I have fussy cut this poinsettia out, and we have the usual with me is a large tag. It says this book belongs to. There is a double journaling card from the kit. There is this journaling card from the kit. Just got some fabric on the top of there, some crocheted trim. There is lots of places to journal in here. Another page from the kit. This pocket I have made from not from the kit, but it is from Tsunami Rose, and it's like a large journaling card, so I've just turned it into a pocket. And we've got a tag here, and we have a postcard from the kit, another journaling card from the kit. We've got a doily and a paper bag, some edge punching, another page from the kit, another one of these poinsettias. We have another postcard, another tag, a tag from the kit, and this all flips out. And that all just pops in there. There is a things to do page. I've just got a journaling card just attached here. I've made a booklet with some of the journaling cards from the kit, so there's a good few pages in there to write on. This is an envelope. That is the page. The envelope is one of Tsunami Rose's postcards, not from that kit, but from her large postcard collection. I've just stitched that onto a handmade envelope that I made. We have another envelope, and that is attached to that page. Well, attached, I say it's paper clipped onto that page, so you can fill that up with things. Another one of these booklets. I don't know how many pages I've put in that. It's 3 doubled over, so there's 12 pages in them. Got another tag from the kit, some more edge punching, another things to do. Here we just have another poinsettia, a large tag. Oh, and this flips out, so you've got all that journaling space. Just pop the paper clip back on. Another tag, another postcard from the kit, and another tag from the kit. Paper bag pockets there, a doily, another one of these large journaling cards which I just made into a pocket, and we have this tag, a tag to write some notes, and a tag from the kit. And we have another corner flip with a tag, another postcard, another tag from the kit, and a double journaling card from the kit. And that is the end. So that is the journal. Like I said, I will put a link below to Tsunami Rose's website, which is tsunamirose.net. This will also be listed in my shop, and that will be linked below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.